If you have read the title of this video, then I would say, yes, I highly recommend getting a screen protector for your Galaxy Watch. In this video, I'll share with you what happened to my Galaxy Watch. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Throughout my last 2 years of using this Galaxy Watch Active 2, this watch has been through my rough handling and quite a bit of battering. There was once I was walking fast, turning a corner at my office walkway, and the screen of my Galaxy Watch hit the corner of the pillars so hard that for a moment I thought the screen must have shattered with such impact. I even chipped away a bit of the pillar with that impact. As I pick it up to check and rub away the debris on the watch face, I realized the screen protector has taken all the heat and the shock. Have a look at this. That's this chip on the corner of the screen protector. The impact is right on the edge of the screen, and I'm glad this screen protector actually wraps around the corner of the glass to fully protect it. If you are using Galaxy Watch 3 that has a crown rotating bezel, then most likely in such a condition, the bezel will take the hit. As for my Galaxy Watch Active 2 and the new Galaxy Watch 4, or if you are using an Apple Watch, I would highly recommend you get a screen protector and have one that fully covers the screen. This screen protector is surprisingly tough. No matter how I pull it, I just don't seem to be able to tear it apart. The next question is, will the screen protector reduce the quality of the display? Well, as far as mine is concerned, this MAXShield AQUA Shield series protector is pretty good. The quality is clear and doesn't affect the display, even in sunlight. This box comes with 3 screen protectors, so I'm actually changing to the second one right now, so all of you can see the process. MAXShield even has an instructional video on this. And their website is pretty well designed too. Click on instructions, pick the AQUA Shield series, and select the smartwatch. And there we go, we can watch the instructional video now. I'll leave the links in the description down below. MAXShield didn't sponsor this video by the way, and I bought these screen protectors myself 2 years ago when I got my Galaxy Watch Active 2. I'm just sharing the brand I use with all of you. There might be other brands' screen protector out there that might be as good. Oh, and I think there are also tempered glass screen protectors. I haven't tried those, so I can't really comment on those. If you have tried them before, do let us know what you think and if you would recommend tempered glass over these plastic screen protectors, and why is that so? And here it is. My watch looks like a brand new watch again. Okay, here is a quick comparison of my old screen protector after 2 years of battering versus a brand new screen protector installed on my Galaxy Watch. Now, with this side-by-side comparison, I can really see all the scratches and dents accumulated over the 2 years. By the way, I have another video about this My Day watch face that shows us our calendar appointments on the watch as we go through our work day. Do check it out. Okay, that's it for this video. You look after yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye!